Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Today I am running very late for school, so I need to go and hopefully vlog a bit in school. Today's triples and doubles day. I got triple business and double RE, and that's Martha texting me telling me to hurry up.
Fire alarm with a snake. I don't even know where it's supposed to be. B7 I meant to be. B7. That's what you said D. No, I said B. I got math. I got left for my braces. China. Just do Phoebe. Take it. I'll take a thumbnail. Phoebe came from bed. That's amazing. What are you reading though? Nice. Is it good?
It is. Day 8, welcome guys.
Literally, I look like shit if I need to show you my pyjamas. They're Harry Potter, like they are sick. Trousers have got stripes on them, and then on the side right here, can you see? It's got 7 and then Gryffindor, and then the top says, waiting for my letter from Hogwarts. These are sick, and I got Christmas bedding on. Let me just move. Christmassy themed bedding. How cool is that? Look how happy my OCD is, because it's like silver, silver, brown, brown. My OCD is like cha-ching. I am going to end today's vlog here. If I didn't film enough, then expect an after video a bit after this. But I think I did film enough, so I'll probably end it here. So I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9. Bye. Hi, so for today's after video bit, I am going to Christmasify my room. And I basically got, let me just show you. I've got a pile of tinsel over there, a tree in the other room. Those are the steps to my attic, so just been in there. Come back tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. Hashtag that clickbait though. But yeah, so let's Christmasify my room.